What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Taking a look this morning over at the XRP chart, Ripple XRP. Guys, welcome back to another cryptocurrency video. Taking a look at the cryptobubbles.net website. We're on the daily time frame. See what's going on here at a quick visual in the markets. Looks like FTT is our big mover so far today, up 42.5%. COMP up 6.7, and everything in between that, guys. XRD down 13.2%. Let's jump over to the charts. Take a look at the XRP chart once again. Got some volatility in the markets yesterday. Pretty good sell-off. Gravity, if you will, took hold, pulled the markets down, but had a pretty nice rally off of a level we spoke about in yesterday morning's XRP video. If you want to see that, go ahead and check that out. I will leave a link right up in the right-hand side right about now, and you can go ahead and watch that. But anyways, quick summary over that, and then we'll talk about moving forward here for XRP. Guys, we were trading up in this range. I believe we were above 47,060 yesterday in the morning. And I said, look, I have a target. If they pull the plug on the market right now, my target is 44,995. We just about hit that on the money. We hit a low of 45. My target was 44,995. So basically bottomed right at my target number one. Also, that correlated with this older inverse head and shoulders here, neckline, which has carried over. The only reason why I'm carrying that over is we found support there on the 16th. So I had that stretched out. So I just continued to stretch it out. And so far, that is very close to where our 44,995 level is, guys. So judging by the close yesterday, we could get some bullish momentum to the upside for XRP. Don't know how high it's going to go. Don't know how long it's going to last. But judging by the close, it is a good indication that we could see some higher prices to come for XRP. Is XRP going to go straight up from here? It could, of course. But the sell-off I don't think was that aggressive. But it could. It might have been just enough. And Bitcoin is actually up today. We'll take a look at that at the end of the video. So, that is a possibility. We saw so if we look up here, we had a move down, slight move up, bigger candle with a decent close. Took a couple days, and then we actually started to rally. So if we look where we're at now, basically rolled over, sell off, wedged up, decent candle. So we could be in that phase, maybe it's a whipsaw before creating that next higher high, and then, equally a higher low. So if we take from the bottom to basically where we started to break out, that was about 8 days. So if we go over 8 days from where we're at now, that puts us at July 6th before we could really start to see a big green candle to the upside. Now I'm not saying the same thing's going to play out, but we saw something, that could be similar take place over here. Maybe we'll see that take place in current times in the early July time frame. We did one of the things I spoke about yesterday. Another one of the things is we undercut the low right here on the 16th of June. That low price is 45,560. 45,560 was that low. Now, we actually undercut that major low and closed higher. We had a close yesterday at 46,507. So we're not out of trouble just yet for XRP. We need to start to see some continuation, either chopping around and holding or straight up moving higher. But it was nice to see a major low undercut and then a strong close. So not too good for the bulls at the moment. Can go back in the bulls' favor very quick. If you know anything about cryptocurrency, markets can move so fast that if you're not like looking at the computer, if you don't have notifications on your phone, you'll miss moves. You know, could you have bought that? Could you have bought the low at 45 yesterday? Yeah, if you were, you know, basically watching the chart and ready. It happens very quick and the markets move back. So we'll see if we got a weak close. If we close at the lower end of the range, something like this, you know, I would say not looking good, guys. Probably going to get some continuation, maybe down to our another target down there at 41,920. But so far, and as of yesterday's candle, that did not happen. We actually got a strong close. XRP is currently up 0.65% today. Nothing crazy. But if we take the lows of yesterday, roughly, it's up about 4% from that target. All right, guys. So that is that. It's a couple scenarios to play out in your head. Keep in mind. Of course, not financial advice. I have two targets above the market. Two targets above the market for XRP at some point. Could happen quick, but more than likely, it will not. We have a target up here, guys, at 51,812, 51812. That would be our target number one. That puts us from where we're currently trading back up in here, which is about a 10.5, 11% move. 518, 518, 12, 0.51812. So 51 cent XRP. Target number two above the market is a 56,528 XRP right up in here, just about the high of the 13th of June, which was a 56,506. We have a 56,528 target. If you're talking percents here, that puts XRP up just about 21% from where we're at now. So things are looking pretty good right now. Might take a couple days, might take that 8 days into the early first week of July before we really start to see some momentum to the upside. But sometimes it's a one-day wonder sell-off. I can tell you that people are bearish right now. Yesterday there was some, oh, it's a rug pull, etc. across the board in some other cryptocurrencies and meme coins. So it literally can take one day. People get on the wrong side of the market, get bearish, go short, sell their stuff. And then, the guys who control the market flip the switch, as, some of you have heard before, and they'll just start to rally it in the other direction. So anyways, that is that. So we'll have to see. Exciting times ahead. We'll see how the SEC lawsuit for Ripple hopefully comes to a conclusion. It seems like the longest it'll be, I guess it could be pushed out longer, would be the end of September. So we could be in for basically a couple more months here of who knows what with the lawsuit, but we'll have to see. Maybe price will move before news. Buy the rumor, sell the news kind of thing. Time will tell. Let's take a quick look over at Bitcoin, and then we'll come back to the XRP chart, wrap this video up, guys. So Bitcoin back above the three support levels we have, which are at 32.34, 31.86, 31.41. We're trading at 30,400 on the money right now. So, Bitcoin is holding up very well right now. I don't see the rug pull, the waterfall event. I actually see more of some kind of a sideways to at any moment here, a big break to the upside, at least back to 31,573. But my next target really is 34,293. And if that happens, markets are going to rocket across the board much higher, including XRP. That's a 12 or so percent move to that target number 2. But we got to get past this right here. We got to get past 31,443. We got to get past 31,573 as well, which is my green line right here, which is essentially, it's close where the top came in on the 23rd of June. So exciting things ahead for Bitcoin. You can see the major resistance that the 31,573 had right in here, which is back in 2022. So, I mean, we're in this huge consolidation here. Big consolidation. So when we do, at some point, get a break above that, it could be very strong. Lots of power taking us. I mean, we could be all the way up at 34,293, within a day, within a couple hours. So we'll have to see. But I always have my eyes on the lower targets as well, which would be basically 29,143 and 28,249.67 are these two lines right here. So far, Bitcoin looking good, holding up well, consolidating here for a couple days. So you may or may not like Bitcoin, but keep your eye on it. It kind of gives you an idea of what's going to happen with the rest of the markets and or XRP. Keep in mind, guys, just like Bitcoin's in a huge consolidation, XRP is in a massive consolidation going back to, May or so of 2022, all the way up to current time frames. Similar thing. We have major resistance at the 55, 56 level right here. And, if and when the price does break above that, it's going to be very strong, taking the price easily up to our targets up there at 61, 63, and our more major, bigger target is up there at 68 cents. So that would be nice. We'll have to see and have patience here. That's a 45% move higher. So as of today, as of right now, XRP is looking more bullish than bearish, but we are not out of trouble just yet. We got to see the lows hold yesterday and some more bullish, either sideways or higher price action to come. For fun, let's take a zoom out here on the XRP chart. I haven't done this in a while. Here is basically the history of XRP. If you've been around, were you around back in 2017 for this ridiculous run to the upside? I remember trading this. I remember where I was. I remember how my computer desk was set up. I remember the computer I had. Certain things stick with you throughout the years. XRP and making money in XRP back then was one of those things. Essentially from a major breakout at like right around that, let's see, looks like it was around 1 cent or so at this level. You could call these highs here 0.009, give or take. First big move was, call it 500%. Next big move was another 3,200%. I mean, this thing looks like 29,294% from that major big breakout. That all happened in a pretty short amount of time, if I'm correct here. Looks like, we'll call it like right there. That all took place in under a year, 284 days, give or take. Incredible. Unbelievable. I didn't nearly catch all of that. I believe, if I remember correctly, trading XRP up in this consolidation in that 20 or so to 30 cent range, and then catching it as it went up to the $3 mark, making some different long trades in between, making couple $100 here and or there, and it was incredible. Besides penny stocks, it was one of the first things that I saw that moved with such power when it went, and pretty much haven't had crypto off my mind ever since, especially XRP. So anyways, guys, we have some much higher targets for XRP on the charts, as you can see here. So, everything that's happening now, it's chump change, it's pennies. In the next bull run, when this thing is ready, maybe it's a news event, who knows? But we have everything up here. We have $2, we have $4, $6, $11. I don't know if I have anything higher on my charts. I probably don't. But we have big targets, and we are looking forward to those hopefully coming into play in the future. A $10, a $10 to $25 XRP. Wouldn't that be something? We're trading at under $1 right now. Basically 2 for $1 XRP. You guys have a good one. Welcome to the channel. If you are not yet subscribed, go ahead and join us here. Hit that thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Introduce yourself if you're a new subscriber. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Have a great Thursday. It's the 29th of June. Take care.